Hey friends, welcome to my channel, myself Swaroop. Today we are going to learn about English grammar nouns. So let's begin. What are we actually going to learn today? Definition of nouns, types of nouns, converting nouns to adjectives, verbs and common nouns. So, actually, what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. They are names of thing, place, animal or a person. Examples. We can see here examples Sahil, Delhi, watermelon, lion are some of the examples of nouns. Sahil is a name of a specific person. Delhi is a popular place in India as it is a of a capital of India. Watermelon it is name of fruit. Lion is a name of animal are some examples of nouns. Types of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns. So, let's study deep about these types of nouns. First, common nouns. These nouns are the names for all the things or persons of the same kind. Common nouns are not specific but are general. They are not written in capital letters unless they begin a new sentence. So let's see example. The tree in my garden is home to different kinds of birds. In the above sentence, the words tree, garden, home, birds do not mention a specific tree, garden, home or bird. Therefore, they are called common nouns. Let's see the second type, proper nouns. The proper nouns are the specific name given to a person, place or a thing. It always begins with a capital letter. Example, the Ganges originates in the Himalayas. The word in the above sentences, the Ganges and Himalayas are proper nouns as they refer to a specific name of a river and a mountain range. Let's see the third, collective nouns. The nouns that refer to a collection of persons, things or places considered as a whole. Example, look at some collective nouns. We have to by heart these collective nouns and we have to also by heart the another collective nouns which are not shown in this video. So, we will be perfect for our exams coming. So, let's see one by one these collective nouns. A crowd of peoples, a herd of cattle, a flight of stairs, a troop of dancers, a suite of rooms, a memory of elephants, a board of directors, a peal of bells, a pride of lions, a swarm of bees, a worship of writers, an army of soldiers, a class of students, a herd of goats, a pratfall of clowns. We have to by heart these collective nouns and remember those. So let's see the another type, abstract nouns. The nouns that refer to a feeling or idea are called as abstract nouns. They do not have a physical reality. They cannot be seen or touched but only felt. Example, Anjali is known for her honesty. We spell this word honesty as honesty, but its real pronunciation is honesty as H becomes silence as it reacts with O, the vowel. So, the word honesty can't be seen or touched but only felt. Thus, honesty is an abstract noun. Abstract noun can be made from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. Abstract nouns from adjectives. There are some abstract nouns from adjectives, so we have to remember those. Kind, kindness. Quick, quickness. Humorous, humor. Peculiar, peculiarity. Intelligent, intelligence. Imaginative, imagination. Popular, popularity. Luxurious, luxury. We have to remember these abstract nouns from adjectives. These are adjectives and these are abstract nouns. These are adjectives and these are abstract nouns. So, abstract nouns from verbs. We have to learn those. Hate. So, let's begin. Hate, hated. Free, freedom. Starve, starvation. Discover, discovery. Occupy, occupation. Flatter, flattery. We have to remember these abstract nouns formed from verbs. So, abstract nouns from common nouns. We have to learn those abstract nouns formed from common nouns. Man, manhood. Agent, agency. Friend, friendship. Guide, guidance. Leader, leadership. Neighbor, neighborhood. Slave, slavery. Child, childhood. So, the fifth type and the last type of nouns is material nouns. The nouns that refer to the material from which the things are made are called material nouns. For example, this is a picture of gold and silver. The gold and silver are used to make jewelries of different kinds that females wear. So the examples are gold, paper, jute, diamond and silver. In the above sentences, the word gold is a material noun as it denotes the material used to make utensils and the jewelries. The paper is a material noun as it refers to a raw material that is made that makes books. Paper makes books. Jute makes jute bags, gunny bags. Diamond makes diamond rings. Silver makes different kinds of jewelries that women wear. So friends, thank you. If you like my channel, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And hope all the concepts shared by me you are remembering, and remember this concept and solve your exams very easily. Thank you.